The purpose of this video is to provide an overview and demonstration of our Google API project, which makes use of the Gmail API and specifically the gmail.readonly and gmail.send scopes within our Sierra Interactive CRM. So I am logged into the account from which we are requesting verification, which is Sierra admin at sierrainteractive.com. And within this account, we have created a credential called Sierra Interactive CRM, and that's the one that we're using within our application. And we're submitting for verification via our OAuth consent screen. So this is a public application. It's publicly available in that it is accessible to our paying client base. So it is broader than our internal use. It does need to be a public application. The application name is sierrainteractive.com. That's the name of our business. I've added our logo. The support email is this one, sierraadmin at sierrainteractive.com. I've added the appropriate scopes, gmail.readonly and gmail.send. The authorized domains, which would be sierrainteractivedev.com and sierrainteractive.com. And then also links to our privacy policy and our terms of service. So the privacy policy, client.sierrainteractivedev.com/privacy policy is here. And in the privacy policy, it does clearly discuss the use of Google user data granted through Google account access. So what it says is, via tools provided by Sierra Interactive, clients may choose to link their Gmail or G Suite email accounts within the Sierra Interactive CRM. It states that we don't store, of course, their password because we never have access to their password. It states that we don't retain all of their email. We use their secure Google account connection to send email on their behalf to contacts within their account when they choose to do so, and to identify email conversations between them and their contacts and store those conversations as part of each contact's history. So that's the demonstration that we're getting ready to do here in just one moment. Only those emails which are part of their conversations with contacts are stored, and only those conversations are retained. We don't access or retain any of their other email information. The only emails their contacts receive from our system are the ones that our clients specifically choose to send them. We don't add their contacts to additional mailing lists. So that's clearly discussed in the privacy policy. Okay, so this is where we are submitting for verification. So now we're going to look at the application where we are making use of the scope. So this is our Sierra Interactive admin. It's client.sierrainteractivedev.com. And for purposes of this demonstration, I've logged in as a user here. And the first thing we'll show is how a user connects their email account via the Google OAuth. So they would just log in and go to their profile. And on their profile, they'd click the Connect Email tab. And here I'm going to connect my Gmail address. I'm going to select Gmail and go Connect Email. And the email account I'm going to connect is my personal Gmail account. It's bpesco@gmail.com. And of course, it's not verified, so I'm going to have to go there and then go ahead and allow it. And so this identifies the scopes that we're requesting, which are the read-only and send. And it does include links, again, to our terms of service and our privacy policy. So again, this is the same terms of service. And the same privacy policy. And again, this is where we identify our use of Google user data through Google account access. So I am going to go ahead and allow. And when I do that, it now shows me that my email address, bpesco@gmail.com, is connected, and mail will be sent via this connected account. So for each of our clients, each of our paying customers, that's the process that they'll use to connect their email account into our Sierra CRM. And once they've done that, they can use the connected email account to send and receive emails to their leads. So for demonstration purposes, I've created a test lead here named Robert Friedman, and I am going to go ahead and send an email to this lead from the Sierra CRM. So I'll just say demo test 1. And we'll say, hello, Robert. This is demo test email number 1. Thanks, Ben. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and send this, and the email it's going to is robertdfriedman@gmail.com. I'll send that out. And now I'm going to log in to that robertdfriedman@gmail.com email address. And we will see that email shortly here, hopefully. Oh, all right, so demo test number 1. Here's the email that I just sent. Hello, Robert. This is demo test email number 1. Thanks, Ben. I'm going to go ahead and reply to that email. And I can see that it does come from the connected Google account. So it sends from bpesco@gmail.com, which is the email account that I connected in. Okay, so I'm going to reply. Hi, Ben. This is demo test email number 2. Thanks, Robert. I'm going to go ahead and send that. And when I send it out, I can verify that it does come through into that bpesco@gmail.com account, of course, because it's being sent directly there. All right, so there's the reply from Robert Friedman. And now if I return to that contact's history within the Sierra admin and I refresh, I can see that not only was the email that I originally sent captured here, but the response from the lead is also captured here. And so that is the gmail.readOnly that is reading emails which are sent to the user on behalf of the CRM. And then last, if I come here and I reply to the contact's reply, so hi Robert, this is demo test email number 3. Thanks, Ben. So I'm going to go ahead and send that out. I'll verify that that does then reach the test contact, the test lead. A second. All right, so here's demo test email number 3. And again, if I go back to view the details of this lead in the Sierra CRM, it's captured all 3. So that's a demonstration of how we're using the send, gmail.send. We're using that to send emails from within the CRM. And then we use gmail.readOnly to identify email conversations between our users and their contacts, and to capture those emails as part of each lead's history. So that is the full extent of the application. And if you need any further, I've included credentials to log into your own account so you can test. If you need any further information, please let us know.